G'day guys, we've just received our first shipment of Denon DLA 110 110th anniversary cartridges. Here's one of them here. Just want to show you what it looks like as you open it. It's got an outer little protective cover there. We take that off and it's got this nice black wrap carton around it. Take that out. Here is the 110th anniversary certificate of authenticity in the box. And there's the actual carry case itself. It's much bigger than I expected, and it's made of leather. It's really nice. So we just open that at the front here, and there's this nice plush velvet lining. That lid comes off, and there's the brush on the side, and here's the cartridge itself. It's really nice, much more substantial than I expected. Beautifully presented, really nice piece of hi-fi this. So there you go. This is as I say, it's a genuine leather carry case, really nice presentation. Okay guys, that's it, the DLA 110 phono cartridge.